वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आपको फिज़िकल एजुकेशन के 12वीं क्लास का एक बहुत ज़रूरी क्वेश्चन पेपर दिखाना चाहते हैं। तो सेक्शन ए में है 24 क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें से आप 20 क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं, और सेक्शन बी में भी, और सेक्शन सी में 12 में से 10। तो इसका मतलब आप 10 क्वेश्चन छोड़ सकते हैं। तो आप ध्यान से करिए, जिसमें आपको डाउट हो वो नहीं भी कर सकते। चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन 1 से। वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ अ वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन। इसका मतलब कि कौन सा विटामिन पानी में आराम से घुल सकता है। इसका है सेकंड पार्ट, विटामिन बी। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट में मैचों की संख्या निकालने का सूत्र है। मतलब इसमें आपको फॉर्मूला सिखाया गया होगा आपकी क्लास में, उसका है डी पार्ट n-1। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, वेयर वॉज द सीनियर सिटीजन फिटनेस टेस्ट डेवलप। मतलब कहाँ पे सीनियर सिटीजन टेस्ट बनाया गया है। ए, फुलेटन यूनिवर्सिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट द लॉ ऑफ मोशन। मतलब कौन से वाले तरीके से मोशन नहीं होती है बॉडी से। तो इसका है सी, लॉ ऑफ रेडिनेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द मूवमेंट ऑफ जॉइंट्स लैटरली अवे फ्रॉम द मिड लाइन ऑफ ए बॉडी इज कॉल्ड abduction. D part. C part. Question number 6, publication of rule and regulation of the tournament should be done. मतलब टूर्नामेंट के रूल एंड रेगुलेशन कब बनानी चाहिए। प्री इवेंट। ए पार्ट, निम्न में से कौन सा वृहत पोषक तत्व नहीं है। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट। डी पार्ट, विटामिन्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम ऑफ B12। क्वेश्चन बी पार्ट, कॉबेलामाइन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, सीडिंग वाली जो टीम होती है किसी भी टूर्नामेंट में, वो कौन से राउंड में खिलाई जाती है। डी पार्ट, फोर्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, इफ द स्पाइन हैज अ साइडवे कर्व देन इट इज कॉल्ड। ए पार्ट, स्कॉलियोसिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, द टेस्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ हार्वर्ड फिटनेस टेस्ट इज। बी पार्ट, 5 minutes. Which one of the following term is not related to test? C part, implement. A good physical posture is the index of A part, personality. Question number 14, who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? B, Karnam Malleshwari. Question number 15, which one of the following is Newton's second law of motion? A part, law of acceleration. What is the weight of dumbbell for men in arm curl tests of Rickley and Jones? Question C part, 8 lb. Question number 17, which fixture is also known as elimination method? A part, knockout fixture. Question number 18, which of the following deformity is not related to spinal curvature? D part, all of the above. Which is the main cause of rickets? C part, lack of vitamin D. Question number 20, which is one of the type of angular movement? C part, both A and B, flexion and abduction. Question number 21, this mineral is essential for bones and teeth. C part, calcium. Question number 22, which method is used to decide the winner of league tournament? D, all of the above. Question number 23, types of motor development are A part, 2. The study of forces and their effects on living beings is called। D, biomechanics. चलिए अब सेक्शन बी पहुंच गए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ 50 मीटर स्टैंडिंग स्टार्ट इज। A part, measurement of speed. The scientific name of knock knee is। B, Genu valgum. Question number 27, which one of the following component is not required to determine VO2 max? D, height. Question number 28, if there are 17 teams participating in a knockout tournament, then the number of matches played will be D, 16. How many byes will be given if there are 6 teams in a league tournament? C part, 0. Question number 30, Chakra Asana is used for curing which of the following deformities? A, kyphosis. Question number 31, match the following: vitamin A, A part 1 to 3, 3 1 4 2. Yes. Question number 32. Match the following again. 50-meter standing starts is 4. To measure speed and acceleration. Second, partial curl-ups. Uh, to measure abdominal strength and endurance. Modified push-ups. To measure upper body endurance. 4 into 10-meter shuttle run. To measure speed and agility. Question number 33. Match the following physical deformities with their remedial exercises. 1. Flat foot skipping. Knock knees, we use horse riding. Bow legs, walking on inner edges of feet. Scoliosis, swimming. Question number 34. Match the following again. A part. 1. First law of motion is law of inertia. Third law of motion, law of action reaction. Abduction, third part 1. Movement away from the midline of the body. Extension, increase of angle at the joint. 35th question. How much energy can be obtained from 1 gram of fat? D. 9 joule. 36th question. How many rounds will be played if there are 25 teams in the knockout fixture? 5. Identify odd one out from the following. D. Step test. Question number 38. Read the following statements. Assertion: balanced diet contains proper amount of various elements. Reason: we should intake carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, roughage and water in a appropriate amount. इसका है A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 39. Assertion: knock knee is a postural deformity in which both the knees knock or touch each other in normal standing position. There is a wide gap between the ankles varying directly with the degree of or deformity. A part. Both A and R are true. Question number 40. Assertion: abduction means moving the body part away from the midline of the body. Reason: adduction is known as abduction. C part. A is true but R is false. Question number 41. What will be the fitness index score of a student if the test duration was 300 seconds and the pulse count between 1 to 1.5 minutes was 70? C part. 77.9. Question number 42. Match the following. A part. First ka third, second 1, third second, fourth. Question number 43. Code C. Code D. First का third, second का fourth, third का first, second का second. Question number 44. Dribbling in basketball is an example of which law of motion? C. Third law of motion. Question number 45. Assertion: the third law of motion concludes that the forces always occur in pair of action and reaction. Reason: the action force is more than the reaction force. C. A is true but R is false. Question number 46. Match the following. Code A. First का third, second का first, third का fourth का second. Question number. Bringing closer to the reference axis is called adduction. D. Question number 47. Match the following again. C. Code C. First का second, second का third, third का fourth का first. Question number 47 again. Second part. Assertion A. 600-meter run or walk is to measure endurance and aerobic fitness. Reason: 50-meter standing start is also done by measuring endurance. Question number C. A is true but R is false. Question number 48. Which statement is not true about vitamins? B. Vitamins are divided into two categories. चलिए अब सेक्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. Given below it's the BMI data of a school's children's health checkup. In which category does the major children population falls into? C part. अधिक बार. Overweight. Question number 49. Match the following. B part. फर्स्ट का फोर्थ, सेकंड का थर्ड, थर्ड का सेकंड, फोर्थ का फर्स्ट. Question number 50. Rajesh went to an old age home on his birthday. At that time, all senior citizens of the old age home assembled at one place. When he inquired, they replied that they had a physical fitness test. Which one of the following tests is for senior citizen? D. 8 foot up and go test. Question number 51. During the physical education class, Newton's law of motion were discussed and their practical application in sports events was explained to students. These laws are most relevant in sports as most of the actions in sports are related to these laws. B part. Directly proportional. Question number 52. Which one of a balanced diet refers to the intake of food that constitutes all the necessary nutrients? Rohan shared his knowledge of food and nutrition with neighbors while visiting his grandparents in a village. Rohan noticed that few people living in that village are suffering with severe anemia. Which one of the following low level of mineral leads to anemia? D. Iron. Question number 53. Your school has received the invitation for participation in a volleyball competition being organized by XYZ school. There is an entry fee for the competition due to which very few students have shown their willingness to participate. Which type of fixture is preferred if there are more number of teams? D. Both B and C. Question number 54. Anju, a student of class 12, used to read books in the school library. One day, she was studying about the history of women participation in Indian sports and felt that more girls and women must be encouraged to actively participate in sports. She believed that impossible things can be achieved through participation in sports. In which year did women first participate in Olympic? B. 1900. Question number 55. Motor development refers to the development of movement and various motor ability for birth till death. In children, motor development refers to the development of child's bones, muscles, and ability to move around and manipulate his or her environment. Which of the following activity is not related to gross motor development? A. Drawing. Question number 56. Rockport 1 mile test is also known as Rockport fitness walking test. This test is suitable for sedentary individuals. This test is to check or observe the development of the individual's maximum volume of oxygen. What is the distance of Rockport 1 mile test in meters? C. 1609.34 meter. Question number 57. Sir Isaac Newton was an English scientist who made great contributions to physics, optics, maths, and astronomy. He is known for his three laws of motion and universal law of gravitation. Shooting is the best example of which law of motion? D. Both A and B. Law of inertia and law of acceleration. Question number 58. Ravi, a physical education teacher at XYZ school, observed that Monu, a student of class 8, has outward curve for vertebral column at thoracic region. He suggested some special exercises to rectify this problem. Which asana is suitable as a remedy to curve this deformity? D. All of the above. Question number 59. Physical education teachers as well as coaches always make their best efforts to improve the performance of their students in various competitive games and sports. Biomechanics is helpful in improving skills, techniques, and movement in the field of sports. Which one of the following is an example of law of inertia? A. Starting in rowing. Question number 60. XYZ school is one of the reputed school in their area for the various sports facilities. Keeping that in consideration, CBSE Sports Cell has given them the responsibility of conducting zonal volleyball cluster. 39 teams have sent the entry for participation in the tournament. How many byes will be given in this knockout fixture? C. 25. Thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe.